HCTI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is healthcare stock a buy. I'm breaking all this down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I'm the only person in this space with an actual 43,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. And all that's documented on my YouTube channel. Ultimately, all I'm looking to do is buy if I could. You can clearly see that pre-market is already supposed, like, you could easily just open up at 0.084, whatever that is. But the only way that I would approach this is if the price pulls down a bit and gives me a double break. Like, random buys are not going to be happening. This could be my idea, you know what I mean? But yeah, like, there's still 2 hours until market opens, so this can quite easily come down as well. We'll see though, and I'm not just going to assume stuff. I will, again, like, most definitely just stick to my rules. And overall, if you want to get my money making emails and insights daily for free, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. Also, like, let's not forget, I have so much receipts with HCTI in the Discord as well. 17 results. It's not small. Goodbye.